One kiss is all it takes. Falling in love with me. Possibilities.
What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Brianna, and if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and follow me on all of my social medias right here down below. Today's video is really exciting. I am doing a review on Colourpop's No Filter Concealer and a few other reviews of their other products like their bronzer and their Ultra Blotted Lip, which I am wearing right now. I am doing a completely honest review. This is not sponsored in any way. I just genuinely love Colourpop and their products, but I wanted to try their concealer. Colourpop is always so inexpensive and they always have really good products, so I really wanted to give it a shot and try their concealers for myself. All of these opinions are my own, so if you want to see how I did this look and what I thought about all of these products, then keep on watching. Alright guys, so I brought you in a little bit closer. As you can see, I just got out of the shower. My hair is still wet. I am barefaced other than some moisturizer, and that's pretty much it. But you can see my face is really bad. It's really broken out, and it's been really broken out for the last maybe like 2 weeks or so. I cannot seem to get it to clear up. This side is not that bad, but it's always around my chin and then just up here around my cheek. It's looking a little bit better than it was last week, but I don't know. Just trying to get it to clear up before I go away on vacation next week. So I am going to be trying these new products. This is a completely honest review. I will tell you my honest opinion. I did open the package only because I got it on Friday and it's Monday and I just like could not wait. I like needed to see what was in it, but I did not test any of the products yet. The products themselves have not been opened. I will show you what I ordered. My main reason for ordering from Colourpop was because they were having a huge sale on their concealers, and I've never tried Colourpop's concealers, and I honestly haven't really heard about them. I haven't really heard a lot of people using them or saying things about them, good or bad. I just haven't heard about them really at all, and maybe I'm just like a fake fan, I don't know. But basically they have launched a whole new set of concealers. They were launching another like 10 new shades or something like that. So they renamed all their previous shades, came out with all these new shades. Like I said, I did open this package up, so I'll show you what I got in here. First thing I saw was this card, and I'm like obsessed with it. It says, "I love it when you call me Big Poppy." I just thought that was like the funniest thing ever. So the first thing that I got were the concealers. I just dropped the whole package. Well, a mess. So the first thing I got were these concealers called the No Filter Concealer Colourpop. I love the packaging. Super cute. It's just like pinstriped with millennial pink. I love that color. Got it in the shade Light 18 and Light 16. I am a darker complexion than most people. I do have olive skin, but right now, because it is dead of winter and we're just going now into spring, I am the lightest I will be all year. Once I go on vacation next week, that will all change. I literally change like 3 shades when I go on vacation and I tan. Okay, so I'm gonna open these up. This is what they look like. Oh, they're really cute. This looks super light for me, so who knows. Colourpop No Filter Concealer. That's it. And this is the darker shade, and this looks super light, so I don't know. We'll see. And then this is Light 16, which also looks super light for me, but who knows, whatever. I could use it for highlighting as well, I suppose. Might need to order some darker shades. But it was really cool because the sale they were having was 2 for $10. So I got both of these for 10 bucks, which like is pretty awesome. And right now I've been using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, which I really love, and I already did a review on that on this channel, so if you want to watch that, I will link that down below. Actually just ordered a little bit more yesterday because I can't control myself. 2 for 10 bucks compared to Tarte, which is 27 bucks. I had to go for it. Alright, what else do I have in my bag of goodies? Also ordered a bronzer, pressed powder cheek bronzer in the shade, I don't know, it doesn't say. In it to win it, in it to win it, oh yeah. Open her up. Oh my god. Okay, I was so confused. Let me show you something for a quick sec. I got this, and it just says pressed powder cheek bronzer. I was like, okay, cool. But it doesn't say the color. As you could see, I was like struggling. So just now I opened it up. It's this little compact, says Colourpop, really cute, pressed powder face. You open it up and there's nothing in it. That doesn't make any sense. But the other day when I opened this package, I saw this. And I was like, oh, they accidentally sent me an extra product. Like I was like, maybe this was like a free sample, I don't know, blah, blah, blah. Because all I saw was this, and I thought this already had the bronzer in it. Now I understand that this has to go in this white container. Oh, it's magnetic. Oh, wow, cool. There we go. we're all set now. So that is the bronzer. And last but not least, I just got 2 Ultra Blotted lips. I have not tried their Blotted lips before. I only have their matte products, which again, I did a video on all of the matte lipsticks that I have, and I will link that. So I haven't tried the Blotted lips, but I heard they're really cool and they work, and basically it's just like lip stain, which is cool, and I'm always looking for stuff like that. And that is everything in my Colourpop package. So now I will try the products. First thing I'm going to be doing is the concealer. I'm gonna try to apply my concealer. Okay, let's see. Looks good, looks good. Oh, the brush is interesting. It's like this flat applicator. Kind of interesting. That's what it looks like. I don't know, this shade might work for me actually. It looks really light in the tube, but I did my best to pick the shade that would look the best on me. If you guys see me looking over here, it is because my mirror is right here. Let's test her out. Let's try. So I am just gonna put it on all of my blemishes and spots. I don't know how like this works. Like I don't know if like a little goes a long way. So I'm just gonna apply like a generous amount, so I'm not like underwhelming it, but I also don't want to overwhelm it as well. This actually does look like a really good shade for me. Based on my Tarte concealer, this is probably the shade that I have in that. It looks really, really similar, so I think we're okay. And then when I go on vacation, I will be way darker than I am now. So this will be way lighter on me, so that should be good. I'm gonna go in with my beauty blender and just blend this out, see how it blends, see how it works. Right now, it went on really smooth. It went on pretty good. Honestly, like I think it was fine. So let's try to blend it out and see if it works. So far so good. I'm like really liking this. It's covering up my blemishes and my dark spots. Like I said, again, this is the perfect shade for me. Looks really, really light in the tube, but this works. So if you have sort of olivey skin, and I have pink and yellow undertones, I don't have like one or the other, I have both. And if you guys have been watching this channel for a little while, you know I'm like really hard to match, and it's so hard to like really find a good color for me, but I'm really liking this so far. It's really covering really well. It's blending out beautifully and smoothly. Oh, I'm really liking this. I did talk to one person about this concealer, and basically she said that she loved this concealer and sometimes she likes it better than Shape Tape. So I don't know, we'll see. And for the price, it's just like, it's just an amazing price, honestly. I think the regular price for each concealer is $6, but like I said, I got it on sale last week for 2 for $10, which is like an awesome sale. Honestly, $6 for each concealer is 100% worth it if you're like somebody that's balling on a budget like I am and you want to do beauty and you still enjoy wearing makeup, but you on that budget, trust me, I know. Okay, so that is all blended out, and I have to say it did like a really good job of covering up my blemishes. I might need to do one more layer. Typically with concealers, I have to do more than one layer. I would say this is like a medium to full coverage concealer. It did a really good job of covering all of my blemishes and my dark spots. Again, I have some spots here that like might need to be covered again, but honestly like my cheek looks way better than it did before. Down here needs to be covered a little bit more. So I'm gonna go back in with one more layer. Should I try the other color? I think I'm gonna try the other color. So the one that I just used was light 18. I am gonna go in with light 16 and see. This is what they look like in comparison. This is light 18, this is light 16. I don't know, you can see that there's a little bit of a difference. So let's try the lighter one. Oh, this is definitely so light. This is a good shade for me if I wanna highlight. Definitely, if I want to highlight certain areas of my face. But again, I'm just using it as the concealer part of it. I'm not going to use it to highlight today. Oh, it's definitely oxidizing. I could definitely tell you that. When it went on, it was really, really light, and I can see it's like changing color a little bit. So it's definitely oxidizing. If you're not exactly sure what shade you are, I would say go down a shade. You know, you'd rather have a lighter concealer than a darker concealer. Dark concealers look really weird. Let's just blend this out. But I wonder if this is like if this is meant to change with your skin tone. I was talking to somebody the other day about Fenty Beauty, and they were saying that Fenty Beauty is meant to change to your skin tone, and it's meant to like blend out with your natural color. So I wonder if this concealer is the same thing. Let's gonna blend that out. I am like really loving the coverage on this. You have no idea. And if you're somebody that needs like a lot of coverage like I do, or like even if you don't have like acne or stuff like that, you just have like maybe like dark circles under your eyes, like this would would really do a really good job. Wow, this is so much better. Like, I'm gonna be honest, like, I didn't have super high expectations. Like, I love Colourpop. I knew Colourpop for the longest time. I knew it before a lot of people discovered it, and I was just like a big fan from the very beginning. And when I ordered my first matte lipstick from them, I was like in love because of the price and the products that you're getting. Just like the quality of their products is amazing. And honestly, I can't complain for the price. I know I was saying before, like I was talking to this girl that said that she likes this better than Shape Tape sometimes, and like as of right now, I'm liking this better than my Shape Tape. I am obsessed with this. I love it. Like I said, I didn't have super high expectations, but like I love this. Like I am somebody that also has to wear makeup every single day because my skin is so bad. I cannot go out with all of that acne. Like I know nobody wants to see that. I have to wear makeup every day, and honestly, just wearing this concealer, I could go out just wearing this just because it did such a good job of covering everything. Oh, I am obsessed with this. 10 out of 10, would recommend. The formula is awesome, and I really like that it wasn't thick. I have done a review on the IT Concealer Bye Bye Under Eye. It's full coverage, anti-aging, waterproof concealer. I've done a review on this, and this was my favorite concealer for a really long time. But one thing I don't like about this is that it's super thick, and when you apply it, it's really sticky. And then after I apply it, if I would like touch my face, it would be really, really sticky, and like it was really weird. It wasn't like a matte finish. It was like so weird. This is super matte, like I'm not sticky at all. Wow, I am loving this concealer. 10 out of 10, go buy it. Okay, I'm just gonna do the rest of my face makeup, and then I will see you guys back when I am ready to do my bronzer so I can use my new Colourpop bronzer. If you guys wanna see a more in-depth of my everyday makeup routine, I will link that down below. But right now, I'm just gonna speed this all up. Okay, so I'm back, ready to do my Colourpop bronzer. So let's see. So I'm gonna open it up. The Pressed Powder Cheek Bronzer Colourpop. That's pretty much it. So this looks like it would be a good shade for me for contouring. So let's see how we do. So far, so good. Looks pretty good to me. I'm really liking it. This is a really, really good color for me. It's not super dark. I don't like bronzers that are really dark. I think it makes you look just like you didn't blend in your makeup all the way. But this looks pretty good. That's what it looks like so far. So I'm gonna do the other side. See if I can match to this side. Wow, I'm really liking this. It's like a really natural, it just like looks really, really good with my makeup. It doesn't look too harsh, like I said. It blends out really, really well. It just looks really, really good in my cheekbones. All right, now I'm gonna do my forehead a little bit. I don't usually do too much. And then I usually do down here, my jawline. I usually do a little bit down there just to look a little bit more defined, but I don't, whoa, what? I don't go crazy. I'm really liking this a lot, actually. It looks really, really good. And honestly, I wasn't sure about this color. The color that I really wanted was sold out online, but I was like, I really want to try one of their bronzers. I might really, really like them. And I do. I feel like I don't have like a really good bronzer. So I think this might be my go-to bronzer from now on. Okay, so I'm gonna finish the rest of my makeup and then maybe test out one of those ultra blotted lips. We'll see how I'm feeling at the end. Alright, so let's look at these ultra blotted lips, shall we? So the first shade I got was Zuma. That's so cute, the box says put me on your lips. So this is the first shade, Zuma. And then the second one that I got was Doozy. I was gonna get one from Ava Kotowski's line, but I didn't think that the color would look really good on me, so I decided to not go that direction. This is Doozy, and I think this is like a fan favorite on their website. This one might not look as good on me, so let's try the other one. I am gonna try Zuma. I don't even know how these work. I think you just kind of put it on, and that's it, right? I don't have to actually blot my lips. For some reason, this looks really long to me. I don't know, but that's the applicator and that's the color and that's what it looks like. I'm gonna put it on and see how we do. This is actually really pretty. Okay, so that's what it looks like. It's actually really pretty. It's basically my lips, but like a little bit better. Gives my look a little boost, I guess. I really like it. It goes on really sheer, so that is pretty interesting. It's basically just like this. It's basically a lip gloss. Like, I guess it's more of like a tinted lip gloss. And I did put on 2 coats only because I just like didn't have enough on the brush to like finish the top. So I put on 2 coats. Oh, it's already dry. I really like this. I think that's exactly what it is, like a blotted lip. Like you put lipstick on and you kind of just like blotted it to like tint your lips a little bit. Wow, I really, really like this. I think it looks really good. This particular color looks really good on my skin tone. Didn't try the other one, so we'll have to do that for another video. But it looks really good. I'm really loving it. It's dry, which like, if you know me in the slightest, you know I absolutely hate lipstick. Like, I don't like the sticky, gross, weird feeling of lipstick. So originally when I started wearing lipstick, I started wearing Colourpop's and the matte, and their matte finish was the best because it was never sticky, it was always dry, but this might be my new obsession. I don't know if it's drying on your lips per se. Right now it doesn't feel drying, obviously because I just put it on. I don't know, we'll have to see, but this is the finished look using all of my new Colourpop products. I will try to check in with you guys a little bit later. I have a really long day today. I have to go to work and then I have to tutor after that, and so I won't be home until probably about 10 o'clock, and this is the makeup that I'm wearing all day long. I will probably take the blotted lip because that might be a little too much to wear to work. So that might end up coming off, but the rest of the makeup is gonna stay on, so I will try to do a check-in and I'll let you guys know how it did. What's up, guys? So I'm just looking at my skin right now. I just wanted to give you an update on what the concealer looks like and everything else. It looks really, really good right now. Still, like, full coverage, hasn't really rubbed off at all, and I've had it on since, I don't know, like 12 o'clock this afternoon, and right now it's 8 p.m. So I've had it on for a decently long time, but again, it still looks really, really good. Like, everything is covered, nothing is really rubbed off, and so I just wanted to give a final update that I'm still absolutely loving this concealer. And if this video looks a little weird, it's because I shot it on my phone on Snapchat so that I could get the flash so the lighting would look good. But like I said, I wanted to give you guys just a final update, and so far I am so happy with this concealer and I'm so happy that I bought it. Alright guys, so that is it for this video. I wanted to thank you guys for watching. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. And if you were new here, don't forget to subscribe, follow me on all of my social medias, and I will see you guys next week for another video. Bye!